Okay, name of exercise, metal insects. Metal insects is related to language subject. Okay, subject is language. Name of exercise, metal insects. M-E-T-A-L, metal. INSETS, insects. Metal insect. These are made up of metals. These are 10 frames with insects. This one is called frame. This one is called insect, and the color of frames is red and the color of insects is blue. Okay, all these are 10 in number of different shapes. These are made, and 5 metal insects are kept on one stand and 5 are kept on the other stand. So there are 2 stands of metal insects, and the stands are made up of wood with sloping edges. You can see edges are sloping, and these are made up of wood. The base of these both these stands is painted blue. Okay, when you are going to take out insect, the same blue shape can be observed out of that frame because of this blue paint. Okay, and this one is insect. Okay, these are 10 in number, related to shapes. These are made of different geometrical shapes are these, because this material is going to prepare the child indirectly for math subject, for geometry. Okay, directly it is related to language subject. Okay, and indirectly it will prepare the child for math subject. Okay, now you can see here 5 shapes are. I'm going to start with easy shapes. Okay, like triangle. This one is triangle. This one is circle. This one is square. This one is oval, egg-like shape, oval. This is rectangle. Okay, and then the difficult shapes are kept on the other stand, and these are number 1, curvy linear triangle. Okay, you can see this is curvy linear triangle. This one is quatrefoil. Quatrefoil. This is trapezium. This one is ellipse. This is pentagon. Okay, pentagon. Again you can see this one is ellipse, pentagon, trapezium, quatrefoil, curvy linear triangle. Okay, so these are 10 in number. All the shapes are 10 in number, and these are called metal insects. Direct aim of metal insects is preparation for writing, for the formation of different letters. This will help the child in the formation of different letters, and the child is going to move pencil around all these insects. Okay, so indirect aim is the child is going to learn moving his hand in different directions, moving pencil in different directions for the formation of letters. For the formation of letters, the child is going to learn how to write. This material is made directly for the purpose of making the child learn how to use pencil, how to move pencil for writing in different directions, in horizontal way, in vertical way, and the child is going to learn how to draw lines, zigzag lines, straight lines with the help of this material. So this is all about the purpose of metal insects. And then control of error. If the lines are going beyond the boundary line, okay, if you are not going to keep pencil in upright position, okay, that will make error in your exercise. These are control of errors, and age group of this exercise is 3 years. Okay, 3 years is age group. It is individual exercise related to language subject. Okay, Other than these metal insets, you are going to take some other material like one container having color pencils. The color pencils should be very sharp. Okay, you can see these are very sharp. Okay, sharp color pencils you are going to have, and then one square hardboard. Okay, one square board, hard square board you are going to take for this, and then paper sheets. Okay, square paper sheets you are going to take, and for the preparation of square paper sheets I am going to make you learn. That is why I am going to prepare these in front of you. Okay, you can take A4 size paper. This is white sheet, computer paper, white soft computer paper it is, and you are going to make it like this, turn it into its half. You are going to divide the page into its half. Okay, you are going to take two papers out of this one. Now the measurement of this square paper is 15 by 15. Okay, it's up to you. You can take 14 by 15 or it is 15 centimeter. Okay. It is 15 centimeter. You will prepare square sheet of 15 by 15 centimeter. So I am going to put here one dot, and then I will divide it into square sheets. Okay, this one here it is 15 centimeter. From this side also mark at 15 centimeter. Now with the help of this scale you can cut out extra paper. Now I am going to divide this one into two squares. This is how you can get square sheet of paper 15 by 15 centimeter. Okay, and then for the last exercise you will need one whole A4 size paper. Okay, so I am going to keep it here for the last exercise, and for all the exercises from exercise number 1 to exercise number 5 you will need square sheets. Okay, that is why I have prepared these for doing work here. The child is holding the tray, and then you are going to take one holder. In that you are going to shift two color pencils. Then you are going to place the holder in the tray of the child. Okay, the child is holding the tray. Then one square hardboard you are going to place here. That is why you are going to take one square hardboard, and then you are going to take two square sheets of paper. Two square sheets of paper place here in the tray, and now for the first exercise you are going to take frame, and in the beginning you can take easy frame. Okay, with which the child is already familiar. The child is familiar with circle, the child is familiar with triangle. These are the easiest shapes, so you can start with a circle. Okay, you have to place one frame in the child's tray. Okay, now after shifting this, you are not going to bring the whole stand here on the presentation area. Okay, you are not going to bring the whole frame or the whole stands, because in the first exercise you have to do the work with only frames, and frame can be any frame, starting from easy shape frame to complex. You can take any one. Okay, in one presentation at one time you are going to take only one frame in the tray. Okay, so these are the things you are going to take for exercise number 1. फ्रेम ऑफ सर्कल. ठीक है, तो मैं इसके साथ दे रही हूँ, तो मैंने इसको शिफ्ट किया और ले आई चाइल्ड के साथ. Now the child is on my left side. I will make the child to sit on my left side, and then the tray is on my right hand side. I am going to take out board. I am going to place it here in front of me. Then I am going to take one square sheet, okay? One by one I have to take out the things, okay, according to our need, okay? Now I am going to place square sheet on the board. After placing that, I am going to take the frame and I am going to place it here on the paper. I will set it in a way that it should be, okay, it should be placed on the paper correctly. Now you can see some paper is visible from all sides of the frame. Now this folder, you are going to keep it close to you. Now you are going to pick up one color pencil, having an eye contact with the child, hold it, and now you are going to keep your left hand fingers in this way, okay? With the help of fingers of left hand, you are going to fix the frame here on the paper and keeping your pencil in upright position, okay? Keeping pencil in upright position, you are going to start tracing. You are going to trace the outline of this frame. Slowly, continuously, you have to trace from all sides. And you are going to stop here at that point from where you have started the tracing. Okay, after doing this, you are going to place the pencil back in the holder. Remove your left hand. Take the other color pencil. And now you are going to fix it from this position. Okay, fix it and keeping your pencil in upright position, trace it. Again the same principle you are going to apply. You have to you have to end the tracing at that point from where you have started, okay? Overlapping again and again you are not going to do, okay? Place it back. Now you are going to hold the frame. Okay, after lifting it, you are going to place it in the tray without making any sound. Now give the child enough time to observe it. After observing by the child, you are going to place it here in the tray, and for the child's repetition, you are going to place another sheet. This is for the child, okay? You will give the child, make the child sit here by asking the child, would you like to repeat it? If the child says yes, then the child can sit here to repeat the work at his own, okay? So this is how the first exercise will be done with the child, okay? Every time you are not going to give the child presentation, but the child can repeat the work, same work which he has taken in the first presentation. The child can repeat that work with the help of different frames. Okay, he can work with this frame, this frame, or this one, but on separate different days. He will